Hi everyone, my name's Samantha Keith. I'm currently a direct support professional. I work with people that have mental and physical disabilities. I do in-home care and I work also in group homes. Um, in past courses, I've enjoyed group work. In my undergrad, that really wasn't something that I enjoyed at all, but I found within this program it's really rewarding to work with other people that also work in the field and that can bring together different perspectives and really give their ideas. I'm looking forward to in this course just learning about the different social welfare policies. I've never had a course like this in the past or in my undergrad. I've had no real exposure on topics like this, so I'm really hoping to learn a lot and be able to apply this to possibly my current job or, of course, jobs I'd have in the future. And I also look forward to getting to know all of you. Thanks.